As of April 27th, more than 28,000 residents in Texas remain without power, according to poweroutage.us. Forecasts indicate that the powerful tornadoes will continue until Sunday, with Saturday being deemed the most dangerous day as the threat extends from Michigan to Texas. Several states are also bracing for destructive wind gusts and hail the size of baseballs.
Turn back. We're fine. Here's J-Jack. Wow. Semi's overturned up here. Hey, let's get up to the sky real quick. Yeah, let's go see. I got the med kit in the car if you need it.